stock exhaust, this car still sounds good. Oh my goodness. As you can see, car's all washed up, squeaky clean, except for the windows. Cause my dumb ass rolled my window down. Oh. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're in the F80 today. We're gonna be going on a little cruise with me and my boys, and hopefully hit a car meet after, but it's gonna be fun, you guys. And I'm gonna give you guys some POV drive in the F80. I'm gonna go pick up my friends and then meet up with some of my homies all the way in OC, and we're gonna be taking some flicks with their cars and my cars. It's gonna be awesome. Man. Hello. What's up, Gojo? Yorik Kinkai. Yorik Kinkai.
Got the variety pack.
Okay, variety
got the water,
pack.
got the wireless charger.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Oh, we got ready. Got the fit on. Oh my. You know what I'm saying, bro?
Hold on.
Hold on.
Got the gold chain.
Out. Oh my. That should be fine. That shit's so clean. Sheesh. Look at this GT3 RS. My boy got a fire extinguisher in there. Oh my goodness, man. This is the dream for real. Carbon bucket seats. Oh, my bad. Look at this Huracan.
So when are you gonna get a helmet?
Wow. Look at that push to start button. That's like, it looks like a plane, huh? You just flip it up and you push it. Yeah, the red one. That's the push to start. That's how they started the car. And if you guys don't know, my boy Doug right here is completely new to the car scene, bro. I'm trying to get him into the car scene with all these cars and stuff, man. Maybe convert him, man. Convert him and get into cars. I'm not gonna lie, I think Audi has the best interior. The steering wheel. Whew, look at the gauges on the side. Oh my goodness. Let me. Whew. Dude, this car's so low. Dude, and you got the starlights. The gauges look so beautiful. Oh my goodness, man. The car just feels so spacious. Nah, this steering wheel is beautiful. Alright guys, look at this view in the city of all the cars parked up. Oh my goodness, we got the G80, got the F80, got the GTR, got the R8. Oh my goodness, beautiful lineup right here. But guys, I really need to mod my car for real, bro. But it will come soon, trust. Look at this view, you guys.
I will until you said that.
So blessed. goodness. Oh my goodness. What's up, man? Nate, nice to meet you.
Simon.
Nice to meet you, Simon. Yes, sir. Hey, nice to meet you, bro. My name is fucking Hong King Ging Gong. Nice to meet you. No. Look at the interior on this. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Look at that. Oh my.
California, bro.
Only in California you see these.
Can I get a little rev, please? That's that boy on the bike.
Yeah, that about buying a bike.
Thanks. Hey, one more.
One more?
Yeah, they said they're trying to get you guys in right now.
I bet. Hey, how was that ride though?
Man, y'all need to be able to fucking cut up.
Ah, nah, too much traffic, bro.
Cut up, bro.
Too much traffic, bro. Whew, turbo sounds crazy right now.